Hey everyone, today we will show you how to make gradient background in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, open a new document in Photoshop. Next, grab the gradient tool from the toolbar on the left. It looks like a rectangle with a color spectrum. You can also press G on your keyboard. This is where you can choose your colors. Pick the two colors you want for your gradient background. You can experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect match. Click and drag your cursor across the canvas to define the direction of your gradient. And there it is, the magic of gradient background. You can also choose the style of gradient. You can choose between linear, radial, angle, and more. You can also select these preset colors. There are too many presets available. Play around with this to see what fits your vision best. You can always go back and adjust the colors, style, or even the opacity of your gradient. Photoshop is all about flexibility. And that's it. You now know how to make gradient background in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Graphic Solution Tricks channel for more videos.